Today I made the DIY almond milk plus goji berry drink. And by the way guys, I bought these raw almonds from Nutrifinds. You can check it out on my yellow basket. Don't you know that almonds has a lot of benefits? I'll put the list below. First, we have to soak these raw almonds from water overnight so we can peel the skin easily like the one in this video. Almond milk is low calorie and dairy-free alternative and vitamin E source. Best for coffees, smoothies, cereal, and light cooking. Now that the raw almond is ready, we can start to blend it on a blender. And by the way, I also add some goji berries. Look how rich the texture is.